Hello, and thanks for tuning in to OSHTV. That's Ozzy Sells Homes TV, a new series and our first episode of Mortgage Masters. My name is Ozzy Martin, and today I'm joined by Dante Perro. Dante is a senior mortgage consultant for Investors Savings Bank. Welcome, Dante.
Good to be here.
Thank you. So, Dante, tell me a little bit about yourself and how you've been so successful with the mortgage consulting approach to the lending business.
Well, I've been in the business for about 15 years, and I've seen the pre-spike to the spike to the burst of the bubble, and I found the best way to help buyers get through this is more of a mortgage plan than actually selling them a mortgage product.
Sure. That makes a lot of sense. I'm sure that the buyers that you've been working with all throughout the process have seen that change and been more comfortable dealing with and getting their mortgages to be where they need them to be. So you seem to have a very keen perspective for the needs of buyers in today's real estate market. How would you compare the pre-spike buying trend to the height of the market?
Well, pre-spike, we were doing all full documented loans. During the spike, everything was done no doc. There was 100% financing all day, subprime. That's all gone now. We're back to the basics, which is full documented loans. Right.
And when we were in the height of the market, unfortunately, obviously the bubble burst. How did that change not only your business in a whole, but what was the reaction to the new buyers coming into the market at that point in time at the burst? And what did you do to conform your methods different to the needs of those new buyers?
Well, it's forced the whole industry to become more professional, slow the process down, more detail orientated.
Okay. That makes sense. As we were in a serious downward trend, did you see discouragement on all fronts? How did you overcome that, not only for you and your business, but how did you soothe fearful buyers on both sides of the coin that may have jumped back on the fence because they were basically scared and waiting for some type of new swing to happen?
Well, absolutely. There was a lot of discouragement, but a lot of things have come through the help. There was the tax credit. Interest rates are extremely low, and property values have come down. All three of those things have helped people get off the fence, and basically the more professional loan officer is going to help guide a borrower through the process easier.
Right. You mentioned the tax credit. Now that that's expired, how do you think that helped or hurt the real estate market from a buying and a selling perspective?
It hasn't hurt us much at all, but basically what I saw when it expired, it has helped people move up into the buy-up markets better. They're more likely now to move in because we had an influx of so many first-time home buyers come in.
Right. Yeah, absolutely. Now that I personally seen a decent stabilization in our real estate market today, which I'm happy about, and many of my clients are also happy as well. Although there are several prospective buyers out there still waiting for something ridiculous to happen with the market in their favor, I truly believe that buyers and sellers are in a better position today than last year and the year before. What do you feel
I
about
definitely
that?
think everything has stabilized. We're in a much better position. We're definitely back to basics with underwriting. Everything's slowed down. People are understanding the process better. We're doing a better job of educating the public. I just think it's a great opportunity now for these people to get off the fence with low rates and property values where they should be. It's a great time and a great opportunity to get in the buying process.
I agree 100%. What do you think about the future market from a lending perspective? What have you seen in terms of new, flexible, but secure loan options that may shed some light on buyers today who may still be on the fence?
Just like any overreaction, our industry has definitely overreacted and made it very tight on underwriting. It will loosen up. It will definitely get better, but I don't think we'll get back to the crazy products that we had, but we'll get back to the basics.
No, hopefully not.
Yeah, exactly. We'll get back to the basics and we'll start using the products for what they should be. The right person with the right product.
Right.
And that's what the mortgage consulting is about. The right person with the right product.
Absolutely. So we don't fall back into that mess of the wild, wild west that we had a few years back.
Absolutely.
Well, Dante, I want to thank you again for sharing your experiences and knowledge with us today. And I look forward to having you on another episode of Mortgage Masters again one day soon.
Absolutely. Looking forward to it.
Thanks, Dante.
You're welcome.
Well, for more information about this or for Dante's information, you can look at the end of this video, and you'll see his contact information there, or you can just go to OzzySellsHomes.com. Once again, I want to thank you for tuning in to OSHTV, and I hope to see you again soon. Thank you.